All right, so I just got an alert that a package is waiting for me. And I'm waiting on my Xbox Series X, so hopefully that's it. It's go time. All right, let's do this. Oh boy. Oh shit. Let's get this. Oh, okay, that was aggressive. Oh man. She's here, guys. Wow. Power cord, HDMI cable, new Xbox controller. It's big, but it's not as bulky as you think. It has like good weight to it, but it's not super cumbersome. But that joint is heavy though. Don't get it fucked up. It's not that bad. Like it doesn't look that big or huge or crazy compared to the rest of my setup. So that's cool. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't even know which input I'm supposed to use. But here we go. Oh, we got action. Oh, here we go. So I can't really give you a full review of the Xbox Series X because I've only been playing it for a few hours. But my early impressions are you can see a difference. You got to make sure you got the right TV because if you don't have 4K or HDR or any of that, you might not really see that big a difference. Frame rates are way faster, and the load times are just dumb fast. So, like I said, only been a few hours, so maybe I'll come back and do like a full review once I play a few more games.